All right, we're going to cook up some eggs.
How are we going to be cooking our eggs? Over easy is the easiest way. What did you grease that pan with? This is leftover grease from a fish fry that I did yesterday. So it's olive oil. I'll just rub it around. Pan has to be hot by now.
Whoosh.
We need salt and pepper. Zoom in on these eggs. There we go. That's some egg content right there. Egg. Alright, it's getting close to flippy time. So now I have to do the hardest part. Not bad. Not too bad. The egg is done. Now I just have to eat you. That's a good looking egg. Now I'm going to introduce the cold brew from La Colombe Coffee. Coffee. Put a little creamer in there. Alright, I need a fork. Enjoy my breakfast with me, won't you? Oh. Hey, streamers. Alright, let's chew this egg up, baby. Should have brought a knife. Oh, that's a good yolk. I'm enjoying my egg. I'm glad I have my headphones back on. I feel more sane with the jazz music playing in the background. We're having a good time. Quick egg to power me up for the rest of the day. That's a quick egg. QED. Quick egg devour. That's why they call it over easy. Oh my god, I get it.